Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I am doing yet another eyeshadow tutorial. On the list today is the FACED COSMIC CRUSH Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be doing a Latte inspired makeup look. This is kind of popular right now, even though by the time you're watching this it's probably late, but forgive me, okay? This is just like a pretty kind of cooler toned latte makeup inspired look. So let's jump right in, starting off with this shade. This is like a light kind of beigey shade. It's called Orbit, and this is going to be like my blending shade. You can barely see it on my eyes, but this is going to help blend out all the other shades that I use. A little bit of a darker transition is Big Bang, which I'm going into right now, and this is going in the crease and in the outer V as well. I just want to give Too Faced a huge thank you because they did send me this palette along with their collection, the Cosmic Crush collection. I really like this palette. I think it's pretty. You get some really nice neutrals and then pops of color. Do I think you absolutely need this palette? No, but it is a really good palette. So I just wet my brush with the condensation from my iced coffee, and I took the shade Twinkle Twinkle, put that all over my lid, and this is like more of like a cooler kind of toned bronzy shade, so I wanted to put Cosmic Crush, which is like a yellow, right on top, and together I think they look really pretty, guys. To blend that out, I did take the shade Superstar. It's just like a darker brown, blended out the edges, and then yeah, I'm doing the same thing to the other eye. So as I mentioned previously, this is definitely more on like the cooler tone side. It's not as like warm goldeny bronze as most of the latte makeup that you see going around. So this might be an option for you guys who like cooler toned eyeshadows. I'm taking the shade Milky Way, and this is going right underneath my eyebrow, and then I'm also blending out the edges of my eyeshadow too so they aren't so harsh. And then I decided to just line my upper lash line to give it more of like a sultry kind of smoky look. You'll be able to see the difference. My left eye is a little smaller now, and then the right eye is bigger. So yeah, lining my eyes definitely closes up my eyes a little bit, makes them look smaller, but I kind of like the sultry look too. So switching it up, I'm using the One Size concealer, which is good. I mentioned it before. It's good. It's not my favorite, but it's good. It gets the job done. The Too Faced, I should have used the Too Faced concealer. This is a Too Faced video. Oh my god. The Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer is the best. Setting that concealer with the DERMA Blend Loose Powder, I was not focused, okay, for this, and I wasn't focused for a long time, so please forgive me. Taking Superstar again, just lining the outer half of my lower lash line, and then blending all of that out with Big Bang. So this is Too Faced's Better Than Sex Foreplay. So this is a lash primer. Guys, if you need volume, you need to buy this. This gives a crazy amount of volume. So yeah, this is just a primer, but then I used L'Oreal's Telescopic and then Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. You know what I mean, okay? And then I did decide to use Kisses, like little false lashes that you put underneath the lash, your natural lash. And then this is the final look. It's really pretty. I love this little latte makeup, guys. What do you think? And I really like this palette. I love the neutrals. I love the pops of color. I think it's really pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!